Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Netflix. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Don't click clear cache, you will click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app there to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.